Hello and welcome to this second video wherein, as we have discussed in our previous class about the characteristics of computer, now we are supposed to discuss about components of a computer system. The first component that I'm having over here is hardware. Now, as I have discussed in my previous video, that hardware is about what you can feel, what you can see, what you can use, like your keyboard is there, your monitor is there, and other devices like your microphone is there. So these are all physical devices which put together to make a computer. So if I say that a computer will not suffice the purpose of any job unless and until we are not able to give input to it, unless and until we are not able to give output, we are not able to generate output out of it, we are not able to process it. So for all this we need certain devices which are known as hardware. Then second component is software. And as far as software is concerned, if I just take an example over here, let's suppose I'm just opening a whiteboard sort of a thing wherein I'll write start. Then I'll ask you move left 1 feet. Then I'll go and ask you move right 1 feet. So what I'm doing over here is I'm just giving you instructions to move from one end to the other. So based on the objective, I can plan and I can give you certain instructions which will help you in completing a particular job. Similarly, a computer, while a computer has to perform a particular task, then what we need to do is we need to give certain set of instructions into a particular bundle which is known as a program, and that particular program corresponds of instructions which are in systematic sequence, and once we give those instructions to the computer, it performs those instructions and tries to achieve the objective. Like, let's suppose right now I want to put a circle over here. So this is a program which needs a couple of hardware devices, and then it needs a software as well. So the software is following the instructions of what is written in the program. So it is a set of instructions wherein a program is created, and that program helps a computer to execute a particular task in a systematic sequence by following the instructions given in a program. Then third component is firmware. Now this firmware is actually, it's a sort of a program which is stored in a hardware device. Now you can ask me a question that how we can store a software in a hardware device. Now we do have a concept which we'll be discussing very soon in this few videos from now on. We'll be discussing a device known as ROM, read-only memory. So, using those devices, what a manufacturer does is once a hardware device is manufactured, they do write a program which helps that hardware device to interact with other devices. So that program, which has been mounted, which has been embedded into a chip, which is a read-only memory, that sort of a program, that sort of a software is known as a firmware. Now, fourth component mentioned over here is humanware. Now, this humanware is nothing, it's again a software, but we say that whenever any hardware or software is designed around user capabilities, is designed as per the user needs, is designed in order to achieve a particular objective which is related to a user, then we say those type of softwares or those type of hardware devices are known as humanware devices. So as far as today's this video session is concerned, I personally feel that we can go ahead with this particular video up to this, because I'm exceeding the time limit. So now in my next video, we'll move towards this